Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you how to make garlic butter lemon asparagus. Simple, fresh, and full of flavor. You'll need fresh asparagus, butter, olive oil, garlic, lemon, salt, pepper, and a touch of Parmesan. Rinse and trim the asparagus ends, then pat them completely dry. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers.
Lay the asparagus in. Hear that sizzle? That's where the magic begins.
Toss gently, letting each side get a light golden sear. Add butter and minced garlic, let it melt, and turn aromatic. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Now squeeze in fresh lemon juice for that bright, zesty kick. A little lemon zest brings freshness and aroma. Cook just until tender and glossy, don't overdo it. Plate it up and drizzle that garlic butter over the top. Finish with a sprinkle of Parmesan and toasted almonds if you like. Look at that, vibrant, buttery, and packed with flavor. If you like this recipe, hit like and subscribe. Now, go make this.